Hello, welcome again to Writer's ER. Trying to think of a research approach that brings change and answers questions. This is the essence of action research, a method that's not just about observing the world, but actively participating in shaping it. This session will help you understand the power of action research and make it an accessible tool for your doctoral journey. Are you ready to change the way you look at research? So let's dive in. What is action research? Action research is a methodology that combines action, reflection, theory, and practice in a cyclical process. It's unique in that it involves actively engaging with a problem in a real-world setting, rather than just studying it from a distance. Think of it as being both the researcher and the participant, using your insights to create real-time solutions. The process of action research is iterative and flexible. It involves 4 key stages: planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. In the planning stage, you identify a problem and devise a strategy to address it. Then you act, implementing your plan in a real-world context. Following this, you observe the effects of your action. Finally, you reflect on these observations, learning and adapting your approach. This cycle repeats, allowing for continuous improvement and adaptation. Why action research matters? For doctoral students, action research is more than a methodology. It's a tool for empowerment. It enables you to not only contribute to academic knowledge, but also to make a tangible difference in the field. It's particularly valuable in disciplines like education, social sciences, and healthcare, where understanding and improving human experiences are crucial. If you find this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Going back, let's look at some examples. In education, a teacher might use action research to implement and refine new teaching strategies based on student feedback and performance. In healthcare, a practitioner might use it to improve patient care practices by systematically implementing changes and evaluating outcomes. These examples illustrate how action research can be applied in various fields to bring about effective change. When conducting action research, collaboration is key. Engage with stakeholders who are directly affected by the problem. Collect data through various methods like surveys, interviews, and observations. Most importantly, be prepared to adapt your plan based on the feedback and results you gather along the way. Challenges and tips. While action research is highly rewarding, it also comes with challenges. It requires flexibility, patience, and a willingness to accept uncertainty. Stay open to new insights, be prepared for unexpected results, and maintain a reflective practice to learn from each cycle. In conclusion, action research is an exciting and dynamic approach to research. It empowers you, as a doctoral student, to not only seek knowledge, but also to apply it in real-world settings to create positive change. If you found this overview helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Writer's Ear for more insightful content. We're here to support your academic journey, and we'd love to hear from you. So what challenges do you anticipate using action research for your dissertation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, embrace the journey of research and discovery. Keep exploring, never stop questioning, and most importantly, keep making a difference.